To protect my iPad screen, I went with this ESR tempered glass screen protector. It comes with two screen protectors and an easy application tray. This should make installing the screen protector very easy, and it also comes with a cleaning kit. This consists of a wet wipe to clean off the screen and a cloth to dry it off and remove any smudges. It also has a dust removal sticker to pick up and get rid of any dust particles that may have landed on the screen. It's definitely best to do this in a controlled space with no breeze blowing. The process is fairly easy. Place your iPad into the tray, ensure it's properly cleaned, and then peel off the bottom of the screen protector. Once you've done this, you need to place the screen protector down on the iPad, ensure that it falls into place, then slide your finger along the top to ensure a good seal. You can then use a credit card or something similar to remove any remaining air bubbles. And that should be it. Your iPad is now protected and you don't lose any of your screen's quality. I also bought another screen protector, the ESR paper-like, because I wanted to have that paper-like feel when I'm using my Apple Pencil. So stay tuned to this channel to see how I use that in the next video.